So this is OBS. When you open OBS, this is how the interface look like. So let's explain them. We have our files here. We have our edits. We have our views, our docs, scene collection tools, and we have our scenes here. We can add as many scenes as we want. We can add as many scenes as we want, and we can add as many sources as we want for each scene. We can add as many sources as we want for each scene, and we can configure our mic settings to get the audio that we want for the production. And this is our transition where we can create even our own transitions. And this is our control where we can start streaming, start recording or stop recording, start the virtual camera, now studio mode or settings, and exit. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise, small gear, big production.